Hello, xin chào mọi người. Hôm nay tôi mua cái này nè, BOYA M1. Cái này là 600.000 đồng. How it work, and I'll show you how it work. It's work good or not. You can see. It's 600 Vietnamese dong. Yeah. We have one nice box. You can see like this, and inside have this one and this one. And this one. Anything else? No. And they have a small book also, like this. You can see. I will read it later. Just to open it. Now I'm going to check this, how it's work or not. You guys can see. Really work good. So I don't know how to use this, so I also using first time. This one is here. And this one is here. So I'm going to join this, and I will. Oh no, I have an iPhone, so they not have this. I need to buy. Wait, I will print the my one. I will put it here on my iPhone, and I will connect it here. Like this. Actually, I need to wear short, but unfortunately I wear t-shirt. It's a little difficult for me, so I will keep here. No problem. So let's listen, guys. How is its work? You can listen. My audio quality from this BOYA M1. How is the difference before and now? You can tell me. You can comment on it. M1 for my video audio quality. I hope it will be better than before. Its cost is $20, around $20.